students, welcome for today's session. In today's session, we are going to study how we can create a new window, how we can blur the window, and also how we can focus on the particular window. So there are different situations wherein you want a window to be placed behind the current window and some situations in which you want the window to be focused. So we are going to study how we can create the window. We're going to start with Notepad, document type, specify the document type as HTML. Alright, then start with the root element, HTML, head. I'm going to give the title as blur and focus on new window. So this is the title I have given, blur and focus on the new window. I'm going to start with the JavaScript. Okay, now I'm going to create one window and I say my window. The name of the window is my window. One variable I have created. Alright, then I'm going to create a function openWin, which is going to open a new window. Alright, so I'm going to write my window is equal to window dot open, and here I need to specify the URL of the window which I want to open. And if I want to open a blank window, then I have to leave this thing as blank. So I'm going to leave this thing as blank. Tag it blank. Width I'm going to set it as 400. Height also I'm going to set it as 400. So what I have done, I have written a function which is going to help me to open a new window. I have used the open method of the window object and then specified the width and height. I have opened a blank window. You can observe that I have not specified any URL over here. Okay, if I specify the URL over here, the particular window will be opened. Now, the next thing what I want to do is, after I create the window, I want it to be blur. So I'm going to write my window dot blur. Okay, so I'm going to use the blur method of the window object. Now I'm going to create one more function, blur window, and then I'm going to write that my window dot blur. So this, when I click on, why I have written the same thing over here, see, you can observe that I have used the blur method twice. One when open the window and then blur window. I'm going to create 3 clickable buttons. So when I click on the blur window button, the window should be blurred. That is why I have written function blur window, my window dot blur. It is going to blur the particular window. Then function focus window. So this is the focus window function. And now what I want to do when the window, I want to focus on the window, I'm going to write my window dot focus. Alright, my window dot focus. So it should focus on the particular window. When I click, then the particular window should remain active. Alright, then what is my next task? I'm going to close the script tag, close the head tag. Okay, then start with the body part. So now what I want to do is, I want to create 3 clickable buttons. So I'm going to use the input type as button and create 3 buttons. I want one button using which I can open a new window. Another button, when I click on the button, the window should be blurred, and I will create one more button which is going to focus on the particular window. So I'm going to give the input type as button. Okay, value I'm going to give it as open window. So when I want to create a new window, now what should happen on click is defined within this function. So which function over here in the code I have written for opening a button? This one, open win. So the same name I have to use it over here on click. So when the on click event is triggered, I'm going to write the window should be open. So I'm going to write the name of the function. Okay, and then close the tag. That is only for opening a new window. Now I want to create a button so that when I click, the window should become blur. Button, then value is equal to blur window. On click, what should happen on click? You have to blur. So blur win, that is the name of the function. Whatever name you have given as a function, the same thing you need to include. And the last one is I want to create a button so that I can focus on the particular window. Value focus window. Okay, so on click what I want to do? Focus window. I'm going to close the body tag followed by the HTML tag. File, save. You have to remember, always save your file with the extension .html. .html, save it with the extension .html. Open with Google Chrome. Take some time to load. The system is a little bit slow, we'll just wait. Yeah, it's loading. Yes, so we can see that the file is being loaded, blood focus HTML. So when we run the program, what we are finding? We are finding as the output we have just 3 clickable buttons. One which says open new window, another which says blur window, and the third one says focus new window. So now when I click on open new window, see one new window of the width 400, height 200 is created. Now you see what will happen when I click on. Now on top we have, it is looking like a stacked, alright. So here we have the new window and this is the previous window. So when I click on blur window, it is gone. You will not be able to see the blurred window. It is gone behind. Can you observe? When I resize it, you will observe it has gone behind this current window. Now when I click on focus new window, the window which was behind has now appeared on top of my current window. So this is how your blur and focus events is going to work. If you want to check it once again, see here, I'm going to click on open new window. So you check what is going to happen. New window is opened and it is on focus, right? It is in focus because it is on top of your current window. Now when I click on blur new window, you observe that the new window has gone behind the current window. If I want to get it back, so I'm going to click on focus new window. Alright, so this is how your blur and focus methods are going to work. So we'll continue in the next session. Thank you, students.